Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll give you a little update of where we're at. I started wet sanding here on the hood. Try to get all the orange peel out, as you can see here. I really did a good job there, and then you can see the orange peel here where I didn't do. So that's the difference in the way it looks. Now I'm still learning how to do this whole buffing process. I don't know if y'all can't really see it on the camera, but there's still a whole bunch of scratches in here that I'm trying to figure out. There you go. You might be able to see it with that kind of the haziness right in here. So I'm trying to figure out the process here of, which pads and all that gibberish. Now this is what I've been using. It's the 105 Ultra Cut Compound and then the Ultra Finish 205 by Meguiar's. And of course I've been using the old orbital polisher here. So yeah, I still got to wet sand the whole truck. So it's been a process, and I've been kind of short a little bit on time, but I'm hoping if I can just get it to turn out like it did right here, minus all the fine scratches like you see here, then this thing will look pretty freaking sweet. Now, if y'all remember, this was the fender that had all that extra paint drops on it right in here. You can kind of see a little bit of it right here. But there was a big drop right here, and you see how now it disappeared. So that is pretty impressive with the wet sanding and all that. This is my first time doing the whole wet sanding process after paint and buffing. Now, I've did a lot of buffing polishing before, but not like this after wet sanding. It was always just old paint. And then this whole polishing stuff is pretty tricky to try to figure out, especially on this black, because it shows everything. So that's a little update here. Once I find out how to get this polish and stuff down like it's supposed to be, then I'll start filming some of it. But right now, I would not be a very good instructional tutor on how to do all this stuff. I've been watching YouTube videos myself, so I'll try to get another video out for y'all this weekend if possible. Probably won't be until late Sunday, maybe early Monday, so stay tuned for that. But thanks for watching. This is just a little update. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time.